Welcome to Earthwork Echoes, where we uncover the forgotten methods that built the world before machines took over. Today, we're stepping inside a working sawmill that hasn't changed in over a century. No electricity, no diesel, just water, wood, and gravity doing what they've done for hundreds of years. But here's the thing, one wrong move with the gate, one misaligned belt, and the entire system grinds to a halt. This mill was run by a man named Usef Schneider, who never attended formal training. He learned by watching his father, then ran the operation himself until the 1960s. By the end, he could manage it alone, which tells you how well this system was designed. It all starts at the weir. By adjusting a single gate, the sawyer controls how much water flows into the channel. Too little and the wheel won't turn with enough force. Too much and everything becomes unstable. The water hits an overshot wheel, meaning it pours in from above, using gravity to multiply impact. This wheel weighs several tons and turns slowly, about 10 revolutions per minute, but each rotation translates into nearly 200 cutting strokes. The conversion happens through shafts, gears, and wooden rods that transform slow, heavy rotation into fast, vertical motion. Power moves through the mill in stages. Leather belts carry it forward, one for the saw frame, one for the log carriage. If those belts aren't tensioned perfectly, the whole rhythm falls apart. Watch the sawyer pull the engagement lever. That simple motion shifts a belt onto a drive pulley, and suddenly everything comes alive. The saw gate rises and falls in a hypnotic pattern. But cutting doesn't start until the feed mechanism engages. That's when the log carriage begins its slow crawl forward, advancing just a fraction with each stroke. You can see the blade bite into the grain. Sawdust sprays out in rhythm, every stroke identical to the last, driven entirely by falling water. If you're into real processes that stood the test of time, hit subscribe. We've got more forgotten trades coming your way.